My name is Ritty and this is RityDIY, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a very trendy, very affordable bohemian inspired wall hanging that I made for less than $10. Definitely give this a thumbs up if you like the video, and of course if you're new here, hit that subscribe button if you want to see future content that I post. And definitely give me a comment below if you've made something like this before, or if you try making it after watching this video, and definitely tag me in any pictures if you post on social media. Alright, let's go ahead and get to the video.
So the first thing you're going to need is a wooden dowel. This is the size that I got, but you can get any size you'd like. And for anyone wondering, I broke that off in the car door. Next you'll need yarn. I got this brand from Michaels. They were having a buy one get one free sale, and I'm using the colors gold, navy, and Aran, which is a cream. And then I'm using a jute ribbon to hang my wall art with. And then of course scissors, and I decided to use some wood stain. I decided I wanted my wooden dowel to be 2 feet, so I used my miter box to cut that off. There might be an easier way to do that, but that's what I had nearby. And my wood stain, I'm using Early American. And I'm not using any pre-stain or finish just because I feel like this is a simple project and doesn't have to look perfect. And then I let that dry for 15 minutes and remove any excess afterwards. I decided to have my yarn 4 feet long one way, and 50 pieces of cream and 32 pieces of gold and navy, and then I laid them all out to see how they would look. Next I cut my jute ribbon to the length that I wanted. I'm tying the jute ribbon around my dowel, leaving a little bit of room at the end, and then double knotting to secure it. Once I'm finished with this, I am all good to start hanging it up. Alright, so I know it's hard to see with the white on white, but you take the 4-foot string, double it over, having the loop at the top, and then you'll put that loop over the dowel to the back, and then pull the 2 strands through. And again, put the loop up and over the wooden dowel, and then pull the 2 strands through towards the back. At this point it's pretty repetitive, so I'm going to skip ahead a little bit. And now I'm putting on my second color. I am doing 16 strands on each side, so that makes 8 pair on each side. probably a good idea to secure your dowel at 2 points and not just one like mine, so that it doesn't move around on you so much. And then finally, I am putting my third color of navy on, just continuing the process. So at this point, the wall hanging looks really good, but I want to make it a little bit prettier and give it a cute angle. Right now the bottom looks scraggly and not shaped at all. So I decided to get a piece of tissue paper and make a template for exactly the angle that I was wanting. So I started by making the piece of tissue paper as long as the project was. Found the angle that I wanted, and then taped it down to make sure it didn't fall. At this point, I found the center as best I could and made a point. And then used a ruler to draw out the angle that I decided to go with. Ignore that second line, that was me playing with my angles, but I decided I did want to go with my original one. I'm basically just cutting through both the tissue paper and the yarn. I didn't get all of it on the first try, but it made it a lot easier to follow that line. And then from here, I just kind of touched up anywhere that looked uneven. And finally, our finished product. I think it turned out pretty amazing.
I hope y'all enjoyed this project as much as I did. I loved making this. It's very quick, very affordable, and so cute. definitely give me that thumbs up, and like I said, subscribe if you would like to continue seeing my content. And definitely give me those comments below, letting me know how I did, what y'all like to see next, all of that great stuff. Alright, see y'all next time. Bye!